Here I have ALLVIEW P5 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. At the very beginning, let me open the screen that I want to capture. In my case, it could be, for example, a calendar, and let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So let me show you two methods of how to do it. The first one is by using the combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for about 2 seconds. And as you can see, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down simultaneously power key and volume down. And as you can see and also hear, the device just took a screenshot. The second way is by using only one key, so you can accomplish taking screenshots by pressing power key for a little bit longer and by tapping screenshot. You just took another screenshot. Let me do it again, power key and screenshot. And you just capture another screen. So let's go back and now let me show you how to share, edit or delete taken screenshots. You can find the screenshots by using an upper bar and by choosing screenshot captured, or you can also accomplish that by using the apps icon and by tapping the gallery. Here under albums you've got screenshot folder. Let's tap it, let's choose your screenshot, and now you can share, edit or delete taken screenshots. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.